I think everybody hopes that they get old someday because the alternative is not that great. But I am with, as a result, I'm with Isaac Lien from GrandPad, who's got a solution for people a little older, maybe are a little nervous about technology.
Yeah, absolutely. We focus on delivering technology solutions to those who are underserved by standard technology solutions. So people who struggle with an iPad or have a smartphone, but it really is a pain for them to use. Our average users are 75 years old and over, which is really an underserved market. We make a device custom built, custom hardware, custom software that has everything they need to stay connected with people they love, stay entertained and informed with technology.
This must be an Android platform underneath because Apple doesn't let you do a lot of that cool stuff, am I right?
Yeah, so underneath it is an Android platform. However, we've stripped out all the Android UI, so to the user, their experience is like a totally custom platform, instructions on every screen, big vibrant buttons, really simple interface, easy to use for people who may have never used technology before.
All right, so can you start us from the beginning of what this looks like? We pick up the iPad, and by the way, we've got an audio-only audience as well, so if you can describe what we're seeing on screen, that'd be great.
Okay, so what you're looking at here, it's a kind of medium-sized tablet. For many of our users, it's more like a big smartphone. They carry it with them everywhere. It's a large enough screen to see even with some visual impairment. You have just a few large, colorful buttons. It's not a row of dozens of apps. There's just right now 4 big icons on the screen. I can tap call, email, and then really critically on the bottom of the screen, there's the bottom bar, which always has instructions no matter where you are. So if I tap on call, I still see this bottom bar that tells me tap the arrows to navigate, and with clear instructions labeling every button. Some of our users have cognitive impairment, they may forget how to do things. There's always going to be text on the screen letting them know what to do next.
So what I'm seeing is call Susan, and it's a beautiful picture of Susan, a great big beautiful picture that lets them know where to tap.
Exactly. I tell my grandma when she wanted to call me, just tap on my picture. We're connected. I can answer on my iPhone, whatever device I have, video call, phone call.
So I can tap on Susan's face or call Susan, either one?
Yep, exactly.
Very good.
And one thing I would really point out on this call app is scams are a huge issue for everybody, especially seniors who may, due to cognitive challenges, may have some issues with credulity. My grandma, people almost scammed her out of tens of thousands of dollars. Luckily, at the bank, they caught her and said, hey, maybe you don't want to transfer this money to someone you don't know. Our call app and email app, they're safe listed by design, which means no scammers, no bad guys can call the device, can email the device, only that trusted safe list, which our family members can manage. So you can give this to someone who's older, maybe has cognitive impairment, and know you're not introducing new risk into their life.
So does this have cellular capability?
It does. So it's a subscription service, custom hardware, software, 4G LTE data connectivity nationwide, all the app services, 24/7 support, it's all included.
Okay, this is interesting. So how are you selling this?
So it's available on our website, grandpad.net. It's available on Amazon. It's also available through Consumer Cellular and all their retail stores and websites.
So what is the subscription cost?
Yeah, so directly from us, it's $65 per month paid annually. That includes hardware, software, 4G LTE coverage, everything. If you lose it, it's stolen, dropped, we replace it for you. And if you return it, it's prorated refund.
So you said 4G LTE twice, and I don't know what that means.
Yeah.
4G LTE?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I didn't hear the E in that. So
4G LTE, yeah.
Okay. And then how much does the tablet cost?
So from us, it's a subscription and includes everything. Includes the tablet. When you're done, if you don't need it anymore, you ship it back to us, you stop paying the subscription. Or you can buy on Amazon for $300 for the tablet, which you own, and then you pay a lower subscription price. So you can buy the tablet or just basically rent it from us.
That sounds really interesting. I like everything that serves every community. This is fantastic. And again, the company is called GrandPad at grandpad.net. Thank you.
That's right. Thanks so much.